Hi all, this is Tyler Krompiatek from Canisius. In this video we show how to use Panopto Capture for video discussions with peers. Let's get started. First we need to go to the discussion. Start a thread and give it a title. Then click on the Insert Stuff tool. In the pop-up that appears, click on Student Panopto Submission. The pop-up will update with 3 tabs. Choose will allow us to pick a video that we have already uploaded to Panopto. Upload will allow us to upload a video we recorded with a different screen capture software, and Record will allow us to record using Panopto Capture. Give the recording a title. Then click on Capture Browser. A new tab will open. If this is our first time using Panopto, we may see a pop-up asking us to give Panopto permission to access our camera and microphone. From here, we have a few options. Audio will allow us to select a microphone. Video will allow us to choose a webcam. However, if we are using a laptop, Panopto will automatically grab the integrated microphone and webcam. Screens and apps will let us capture our screen. And clicking on the gear icon in the lower right will give us some advanced settings as well. If we decide to share a screen, make sure to click on Hide for the pop-up that appears at the bottom of our screen. When ready, click on the red dot to start the recording. A 5-second countdown will start, after which we can start talking. When we are done, we need to come back to this tab and click on the red square to stop the recording. When we do, the page will update. We need to wait until Panopto tells us it is okay to close the browser tab. We also have a last chance to rename the video. If needed, we can also edit the video by clicking on Edit. Once Panopto says it is okay to close the tab, we can go back to D2L. We may see a preview of the video or what you see on screen here, depending on if Panopto is done processing the video. In either case, click on Insert in the lower right corner. This will give us one last chance to preview the video. Click on Insert in the lower left corner. However, if we did not see the video preview, we just need to repeat the steps to open Panopto. Our video should be in the Choose tab. Select it and follow the on-screen instructions. This will add the video to our discussion board. When ready, go to the bottom and click on Post. When we do, our video will be available to our instructor and fellow students. That's it for this video. If there are any questions or comments, please email us at helpdesk@canisius.edu. Thanks for watching and have a great day.